Researchers at Georgia Tech built the Honeybot for keeping factories and other large facilities safe from hackers. Industrial sites reach new targets for cyber criminals. The Honeybot uses fake sensor data to trick hackers who think they are controlling a factory robot. That is, the Honeybot will make the hackers to think that they had taken control of a robot, but instead the robot gathers valuable information about the bad actors, helping businesses better protect themselves from future attacks. Internet security professionals long have employed decoy computer systems known as honeypots as a way to throw cyber attackers off the trail. The research team applied the same concept to the Honeybot. Once hackers gain access to the decoy, they leave behind valuable information that can help companies further secure their networks. Honeybots give security professionals the ability to study the attackers, determine what methods they are using, and figure out where they are, or potentially even who they are. The gadget can be monitored and controlled through the internet. But unlike other remote controlled remotes, the Honeybot's special ability is tricking its operators into thinking it is performing one task when in reality it is doing something completely different. In a factory setting, the Honeybot could sit motionless in a corner, springing to life when a hacker gains access, a visual indicator that a malicious actor is targeting the facility.